Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you where the Sentry mode and Dashcam went and how to use it on software version 11. So that tutorial is coming up. So as you notice, there's no more icons up here for the Sentry mode and Dashcam. And so basically what they did is they buried it in a menu like everything else for version 11. So if you go down to the car button here, you'll notice that on this control screen, the first one that pops up, that the Sentry mode and Dashcam are there. And so basically just a couple quick facts is, in order to use Dashcam and Sentry mode, you need a USB drive. And so for my older 2018, that USB drive is not in the glove box, it's in the center console. And so basically for the newer 2021 and newer cars, they move that to the glove box over there. So that's where you'll find the slot to put in the USB drive. You're going to need at least a 4 meg constant write speed USB drive, so I'll link you to that in the description if you want to buy one. And it's recommended you get at least a 64 gig card. And so, you know, you can get whatever card you want. I just have a 32 because it's kind of old, but it works for me because I always delete stuff all the time anyway, so I don't let it build up and get all piled up in my drive anyway. So let's go over the Dashcam first. So right now it says it's not recording. I don't know why. So basically if you push and hold the Dashcam icon here, you'll see that, now it's recording. So basically you push and hold to turn it on and turn it off. So if we were to turn it off here, push and hold, and it turns off, that's a good way to, like if you need to remove your drive to basically, you know, load videos onto your computer, you definitely want to turn it off first and then remove the drive, or else it's just going to mess stuff up. So I'm going to turn it back on for now. But that's how you do that. So just keep that in mind, that's how you turn it on and off. Now, if you want to save a Dashcam video, there's a couple ways you can do it. So if you're driving around, you can just tap it and it'll save. So there you go. So there's a download button, so it'll save it. We'll see that in a second. You can also honk as well. So if we go into safety, I think it is, Dashcam. So you can do it on honk as well. So if you have that set here in safety, if you're driving around and someone cut you off and you want to save a Dashcam video, you can just honk at that point and it'll save it. So there's also another one, automatic. So right now I have it on manual. So basically, like I showed you, push the button. You can also do it on auto. So if we look and see what that says, you can save to 10 minutes. On auto, it'll save up to 10 minutes of video on your USB drive when the car detects an occurrence of a safety event. So in an accident or something like that, it'll automatically record the last 10 minutes. So that's if you have it set on auto. You know, you could also do that manually. If you're in an accident, you can just tap the screen like I showed you at that point and it'll do the same thing. One other thing I wanted to mention about Dashcam is with one of the recent updates, not this one, but before, you can also delete all your Dashcam clips at once. So under safety, if you just hit delete Dashcam clips, you can delete them all at once. Before, what you had to do is you had to bring it to your computer and delete it that way. So now they have a faster way of doing it. And also, before, you would have to format the drive on your computer as well. So now you don't have to do that as well. You can just plug it into your glove box or center console, and you can just hit format USB drive and it'll do it, and then you're ready to go. So those are a couple other nice little features of the Dashcam. So now if we go to Sentry mode, it's, you know, kind of a coveted feature for our Teslas. And so basically to turn it on and off, right now it's off, you just tap it. So now Sentry mode is on and it's going to be looking for, you know, occurrences of people walking around the car or kicking the tires or doing whatever. And you'll see the little, the lights flash when it picks up an event. So that's how that happens. So I'm going to turn it off right now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Dashcam viewer, which is a feature that they gave on an update a while ago as well. So the only way I found that you can get into it, which is another hidden thing that they buried, which is kind of harder to get to now, is so if you hit the dots down here and you hit Dashcam, the Dashcam icon, then the viewer pops up. So right now, this is the view of the house right here, someone's house. So basically, if you hit the list here, it'll bring up all your Sentry and Dashcam clips. So right now I have it set on all. You can filter by Sentry and you can filter by Dashcam. And so basically, if we just take a Dashcam clip from a while ago, as you can see, here's what it looks like. There's all the different views. So right now I'm viewing the front camera, but as you can see, there's the rear, the right, and the left repeaters. So if you want to switch to either of those, you just tap it and it'll switch to that video. And so as you can see, the car is coming by and doing its thing. So that's how you operate this viewer. The Dashcam, if you tap it and you want to save like an incident, or if Sentry mode records an event, basically what happens is now Tesla will tell you where that event or incident happened. So that's indicated by the red dot here. And so before, basically it was just like, here's the clip, go figure out where it is. And there was like multiple clips, and so it was kind of hard to find it because it wasn't always in the last clip. And so now they give you that visibility where it's basically like, here it is, go look for it there, and it'll be a lot easier. So that's basically how the Dashcam works. And then Sentry mode is pretty much the same thing. So if we just go to one of my Sentry mode things, it's the same thing. You can, switch views however you want. And then of course the event happened there with a red dot. And so you can see right where someone walked by or whatever. I do want to mention too that it looks like with these updates, they've kind of enhanced how the Dashcam and Sentry mode viewer work, because it seems to be a lot smoother now too. Where basically before it was kind of laggy and the video clips didn't really play very well. And so, hey, look, another Tesla, haha, cool. But yeah, so it looks like they've kind of done a little bit better job of it working better. So hopefully they can keep improving it and make it look better. So there's the incident. You see that person's walking by the back here and to the left. And so that's where the incident is, perfect with the red dot. And so you don't have to chase it and you know exactly where it is. So that's kind of the tutorial on Sentry mode and Dashcam and where to find them in, in the controls here, just in the front here. For me personally, it's kind of easier to have them at the top because then you don't have to dig through menus. I think a lot of people will agree with that, but that's what Tesla did. And so it is what it is at this point. So hope that tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.